So we're at Shipwreck. Y'all can see we having a day. It's nice out here. Fun in the sun. Can't complain about that. All right, let's go over here and see what they talking about.
Welcome to Billionaire Dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
Yeah. So we got a bar right here, Los Amigos. Yeah, we'll get one in a second. Oh wow.
We going up there?
Yeah.
No, I was over there on the truck. Same like you went all the way to the car for your head? I put one there.
You got mom.
I'm looking for somewhere else to go.
Oh. You got Miss Ville. Blue over here asleep right now. Out here with the fam. We didn't know we was all at the same location till yesterday. Nevertheless, we here. And going back down the steps on the other side. You can see the water over there in the distance from the lake. See over there. Stay where we can see you.